My name is Dhairy and it is my friend Tommy. Hi Tommy. Sit here. Now we do fun city of car. I have 25 cars. Totally 25 cars and plane I have 6. Now I will do fun city of car. I take these much cars. For example, this car I put here, here, and here this car. I will do turn. Okay. And this car here. And I have McQueen friends. Full name is like Queen McQueen. I put that is here. Now I take this much cars for putting. I put this one car. See, it is like an aeroplane. See. Now I will put inside it. Now I will put him here. In this car, I put here. And see downside, please. Here is one car. That's why I put one car here. Here, and these both are cars are friends. That's why he both are talking here. See, and this is an also his both friends. That's why I put here. He and fourth one, Sarko, my favorite car. I will put this car here, Sarko. Now I will take this much car. This car I will put here, and this car I will put here. See, this car also good and speedy. Now I will put here. And see, he both have bikes and he both are friends. That's why he talking always. That's why I will put this both car here. See, now I will put here. And you see, these both car also same. That's why he both car also group wise. And this is police. Police always came here. And I have only for 3 cars. That's why I put this car here, this car here, and this car here on parking. Now I have aeroplanes. See my aeroplanes: silver, yellow, blue, black, red, and black. Now these both aeroplanes I will put one aeroplane here, second here, and third aeroplane is my favorite aeroplane and speedy also. That's why I put this plane here. And red plane. Red plane is also speedy plane. It is a jet plane. I have now both aeroplane. I like yellow, that's why I put it here. Here. And silver. This is, you see here, USA. That's full form, I don't know. Here I will put. Now you can see over it isn't good. See, Tommy, you're surprised. Happy birthday to you, Tommy. Happy birthday. Oh, wow. Oh, you will see these all. Nice, no? Oh. हाँ अब मेरा फ्रेंड टॉमी आपसे एक बात कहना चाहता है, वो बोल नहीं सकता इसलिए अब मैं बोल देता हूँ वो बात कि like this video, subscribe this video and click the bell icon. Bye.